Hi, welcome back to day 8 of our adventure. Do you know how to catch bumbles? That's right. But also, we are going to be making Bumble-Cave cake. And this is what you're going to need. So we're going to start with a basic super moist cake and one special modification. To make this blue into the berry blue, my favorite jello, we are going to be adding that and the rest of the ingredients as instructed in. Oh, this is going to be good. Blueberry jello and 1/2 oil, just like it said, and 3 eggs. Okay, so start with a little small bowl, add your cake mix. There you go. I have my blender. I'm going to use my blender today. Let's see. In goes the 3 eggs. Our 1/2 cup of oil. The secret ingredient, the bumbleberry mix. Next, you're going to need a pan. Something in the shape of a cave. Great. I got this the same day the Grinch came. I hope you like it. Butter it or put some oil or spray Pam in this very well before we add that cake mix. It's essential. The cave has to turn out when we're done. This is really well greased. That is what you need next. There. How festive is that? Just an idea. You could add more. Add something that makes it fun. Personalize it for your family. While we're waiting for the oven to preheat, if you like my channel so far, give it a gloves up. And if you really like my channel and have been following along for all these Advent times, maybe consider subscribing and hit that puck. Thank you. Okay, timer is on. It's set. We're going to pop this in the oven. All right, it's time for adventure time. Are you ready? It's adventure time. I'll give you a moment. Today's day 8. Ah, there it is. Number 8. Okay. Once again, make a wish. It's a tradition. Make a wish. Okay, let's see what kind of chocolate it is for today. Oh, what's behind window number 8? Oh, that's interesting. It's empty. Maybe the chocolate fell down. Well, that's a surprise. Look at that. I guess we'll have to keep opening more windows until we find where it went. Well, that's a surprise. I'm not sure what to say. It could happen to you. Maybe we'll get a double chocolate tomorrow. Okay, moving on. Okay, it's ready. Have to test it. Make sure it comes out clean. Let's first put the rack on and then flip it. There. Beautiful. Now we'll let this really cool down and then we'll put the effect on this. A trivia question. Trivia number 1. What was the name of the little elf that wanted to be a dentist in the same movie? So we are going to frost the Bumble-Cave. We're going to make Dream Whip and we're going to incorporate mini marshmallows so they look like rocks, and then we'll texturize it with a little bit of coconut flakes. So that's my vision. So 1 packet of Dream Whip, 1/2 cup very cold milk. Now you could add vanilla or almond extract. I'm leaving this plain because I want this to be intense white, like there's snow on it. About a cup of white marshmallows, the mini ones. Oh, this looks really interesting. Okay. Trivia question number 2. Yukon Cornelius had a very interesting method of mining for treasure. You remember what tool he used and what he did to test whether or not he had gold? I always thought that was funny. I kind of like Yukon Cornelius. And his mustache, kind of like Lanny McDonald. There. And a little bit of shredded coconut. That makes it very fun. Very nice. Just a little topper. There. I present the Bumble-Cave for a movie night. Ooh, and I got a little piece of a cherry. Bumble cake. Bumble Christmas cake. Isn't that fun? Christmas Bumble-Cave cake. Let's try a piece together and then we'll watch a movie. We'll be ready. All right. Delicious. An idea for Christmas. So if you like blue Mr. Freezies and maraschino cherries and coconut and Dream Whip, you're going to love this. This is excellent for watching a Christmas holiday movie. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. Until next time, do take care, and I'll see you next time for the next adventure. Au revoir.